This is page 8, number 17. But before we get to number 17, I want to pay attention to the pencil hold exercises. So the pencil hold is really a great way to learn how to hold the bow. As you can see from the drawings, they have 4 things that you can do. Actually 5 if you do the lower one, the Bow Builder 3. So Bow Builder 2, I'm out of here. Wave goodbye with the pencil in your hand and a loose wrist. Finger taps. So bunny ears first, then tap first finger, tap pinky. Thumb flexors. Flex your thumb in and out. Straight thumb, bent thumb. Okay, and then knuckle turnover. So I'm going to do it this way so you can see. My thumb is bent and it's behind my second finger. And that's, look at how relaxed my fingers are. They're not tense like that. You don't need that for a light bow, okay? Just relax your hand, make sure your thumb is bent, and then bowing motions is from the elbow with your pencil in your hand. Pencil's not going to go anywhere, and if it falls on the floor, that's fine. You're probably holding it just right. Really, really loose. All right, so here's number 17. We're still pizzicatoing, but it's really good to be paying attention to these bow exercises. 4 fingers on the D string. Okay, the same notes we've been working on all along. Okay, now we're going to count also, but there's no repeat sign. Here we go. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3,